Have you heard about using Vicks VapoRub to treat toenail fungus? Does it really work? What makes this product so special? Today, I'll share everything you need to know, how to use it, what to expect, and, most importantly, how the powerful ingredients in Vicks can help you tackle this problem. Stick around. This tip might just help you get rid of toenail fungus for good. What is Vicks VapoRub? Vicks VapoRub is one of the most well-known products in the world. It was created over a century ago to relieve cold symptoms such as nasal congestion and cough. Over time, people have discovered alternative uses for it, with toenail fungus treatment being one of the most popular. Why can it help with fungus? Why can Vicks help? The answer lies in its ingredients. Let's explore each one to understand what makes them so special. The ingredients in Vicks VapoRub and their properties. 1. Camphor. Camphor is a compound derived from trees of the Cinnamomum camphora species. It is known for its antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. When applied to the nail, camphor helps create an environment unfavorable for fungus growth and soothes discomfort such as inflammation around the nail. 2. Menthol. Another powerful ingredient is menthol, primarily extracted from mint. Menthol has a cooling and soothing effect, but its benefits go beyond that. Studies show it has antimicrobial properties which may help reduce the presence of fungi and bacteria. It also enhances the product's penetration into the nail, boosting the effectiveness of other components. 3. Eucalyptus oil. Have you noticed Vicks's distinctive smell? That's thanks to eucalyptus oil. This essential oil is widely known for its antimicrobial and antifungal properties. It not only directly combats fungi, but also soothes irritation and improves the appearance of the affected nail and skin. 4. Other secondary ingredients. In addition to these three main ingredients, Vicks also contains components like nutmeg oil and petrolatum. Nutmeg oil fights toenail fungus with its antifungal and antioxidant properties, reduces inflammation, and relieves discomfort. Petrolatum, or petroleum jelly, helps the product stay on the nail longer, ensuring the active ingredients work continuously. Scientific evidence. Does it really work? 2011 study. Impressive results. A 2011 study analyzed individuals with toenail fungus who used Vicks regularly. The results were impressive. 83% of participants showed significant improvement. 27% achieved complete cure. This means that even as an over-the-counter product, Vicks can provide results comparable to some medical treatments in mild cases. Study with HIV patients. Another study focused on HIV patients also showed positive results. After 48 weeks of use, more than half of the participants reported improved nail appearance, and almost all were satisfied. This is particularly significant because fungal infections are more common and harder to treat in cases like HIV. How to use Vicks VapoRub. Preparing the nail. Before applying Vicks, follow these steps. Wash your nails thoroughly with soap and water, ensuring all dirt is removed. Completely dry them with a clean towel. Fungus thrives in moisture, so this step is essential. If possible, gently file the nail's surface with a disposable file. This helps the product penetrate better. Wash the nail again and dry it thoroughly. Applying the product. With the nail prepared, use a cotton swab or your fingers, wear gloves, to apply Vicks directly to the affected nail. Spread the product underneath the nail if possible. Let the product dry for a few minutes before wearing socks or shoes. Frequency tip. Repeat this process once a day. For the best results, establish a routine, such as applying it at night before bed. How long does it take to see results? Slow nail growth. One of the biggest challenges in treating toenail fungus is the time involved. Toenails grow slowly, typically taking 12 to 18 months to fully renew. This means that even with regular use of Vicks, results may take time to appear. Early signs of improvement. In the first few weeks, you might notice a reduction in nail thickness or less debris accumulation. Over time, a new, healthy nail will begin to grow from the base, but progress will be gradual. Side effects, necessary precautions, common adverse reactions. While Vicks is considered safe, some individuals may experience redness or itching around the nail, mild irritation due to the active ingredients. If this occurs, discontinue use and consult a doctor. Conclusion: is it worth trying? Vicks VapoRub is an affordable, easy-to-use solution with scientifically proven results in mild to moderate cases. Its ingredients, such as camphor, menthol, and eucalyptus oil, work together effectively to combat fungus. While it doesn't replace medical treatments for severe cases, it can be a great alternative for mild and moderate ones. I'll leave links in the comments to another video on how to prevent toenail fungus, and one about the best homemade formula to fight toenail fungus. Share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to activate the notification bell to avoid missing other amazing tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.